Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch here with your outlook for June 22nd, 2015. We have a very nice day here, low humidity day for your Monday, and that's thanks to a cold front that came through last night is now out of the picture. It's actually way off the coast here, so we're not expecting anything but not a nice, mostly sunny day with low humidity in its wake. And we'd also have high pressure that's sitting right here over the southern Appalachians. That's going to keep the winds westerly today, and it's also going to keep it on the cooler side as far as humidity and dryness, I should say. It's neither the heat index is not going to be quite as warm as it has been in recent days. So we're actually with a lower humidity, despite getting up into the upper 80s to near 90 in central and southern areas. We're still going to be in that dry heat today. So very nice day today. As we get past today, we're going to have an increase in humidity, and that's going to be out ahead of this system here. Now, this is a system that is way, way up to the north. It's up here, up out of our picture here. What it's going to do is going to bring a cold front with it, and this cold front's going to allow it's attached to the system, is going to be pushing through, and ahead of it, you're going to have showers and thunderstorms that are going to push to the south here. The issue I have with this here on Tuesday, and why I'm not quite as enthused with what's going on here Tuesday, is because it's so far removed, this cold front. The best energy, the best forcing is going to be much farther to the north. So although we can get a line of storms come through here with some damaging wind gust potential, it's not something that's like overly exciting where it's going to be a widespread event, I don't think, here. But we'll keep an eye on this just in case. But I do think there will be a line of storms come through here. And as far as organization, whether they are able to hold all the way down here to the coastline is probably going to be something we'll have to narrow down a little bit as we get a little bit closer. We'll be very hot here again on Tuesday. Temperatures are getting up near the 90-degree mark in many locations. So it's going to be hot ahead of it. Once the storms come through, obviously we'll cool us off and get us back to the lower humidity for Wednesday, and another mostly sunny day. Another beautiful day. So Monday, Wednesday will look beautiful. Tuesday, Thursday, which I'll get into in a minute, do not. Here is this line of storms on the latest NAM, and here's what I'm talking about it not being impressive. It starts off with a congealed line ahead of this front, but again, this the best forcing is going to be up north, closer to the low pressure system. So my worry, or I shouldn't say worry, but what I can foresee happening is as this line starts moving southeast and it congeals into an organized line, it does what the NAM does, and just it just falls apart. Just because it just doesn't have enough to sustain itself. So again, we'll look at this as we get a little bit closer here into Tuesday. And obviously things change especially with severe weather. So if we do have a severe weather threat, we will let you know. As of right now, we're going to say it's very marginal at best and favoring our northwestern zones. As we get into I will go beyond Wednesday now here, because Wednesday is another high pressure sitting right over top of us day, another mostly sunny day. The front at this point is way to the south here. Here's our frontal boundary, and we're just left with high pressure sitting right over top of us. So another mostly sunny, low humidity day for Wednesday, and we get back into Thursday. We have this system here, a system coming in from the Ohio Valley will move toward our area here on Thursday. I think you're going to deal with more showers and thunderstorms as you get into later in the day here, and also an associated frontal boundary. This is going to bring up a threat more showers and thunderstorms scattered here later on Thursday, and that is going to last through the night, Thursday night into Friday. I think Friday is going to at least have the opportunity for a pop-up shower here. The system's still in close proximity here. There's a frontal boundary still in close proximity right here, so you're going to have a few showers possible over our entire coverage area here. So we left those, we'll call it mostly cloudy though here on Friday, with that opportunity for these showers. Not an all-day thing, not a rain out. And then we get into Saturday. Looks like high pressure is going to keep us dry, but high pressure is in this familiar spot here in the Gulf of Maine, and we've talked about this over the last couple of videos. Whenever you have high pressure in this position, it's going to create an onshore flow like this. So you have to worry about an increase in cloud cover, and a marine flow will keep temperatures on the cooler side. So we're going to leave Saturday for now a mostly cloudy but dry day. The high pressure will keep us dry, but again, the onshore flow will keep us in the mostly cloudy conditions. Mostly cloudy doesn't mean no sun at all. It just means a lot more clouds than sun that you'll see here on Saturday. This next system here This is another area of low pressure, stronger, coming in from the west here. That'll be affecting our area late in the weekend, next weekend. So again, we're going to have another possible heavy rainmaker here moving in here over the weekend. This will be the second half of the weekend on Sunday, with an opportunity for showers and thunderstorms. Again, devil's in the details at this point as far as how much and where and things like that. We're talking about almost a week away, so we'll narrow this down as we get a little bit closer as well. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for June 22nd, 2015. Have a great Monday.